Hi students, hope all are fine and safe. Go confidently in the direction of your dreams. Live the life you have imagined. May the God fulfill your dreams. So let us start today's lesson. So we are going to learn the next exercise part. It is anagrams. What is an anagram? An anagram is a word formed by rearranging the letters of another word. Example given here, greet. We have to make another word from this greet. It is written there, egret. Now, form words related to birds by rearranging the letters of the words below. Here, scent, S-E-N-T, scent is the word given here. We have to rearrange this word scent and related to birds we have to make it. So, it is nest, N-E-S-T. First one it is nest. Now, second one, B-A-K-E, bake. So, what is the birds related word? Beak, B-E-A-K, beak. Now, the third word it is given there, roosters, that is rooster, rooster. Rooster is the third word. Now, fourth word it is wallows given here. What is the answer? Swallows. Sorry, I will write from here onwards. Swallows, S-W-A-L-L-O-W-S. Now, F-E, wolf given here, fowl, F-O-W-L, fowl. Now, F, honor given, it is not this one. This one is the right answer. Heron, H-E-R-O-N, heron. Now, next one, wolf is given there, fowl. That is already over, sorry. G, raptor given. What is the bird related word? Parrot, P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. Now, next word, low given there. The bird related word is owl, O-W-L, owl. Now, antonyms, we have to write the opposite. Antonym means opposite. Synonym means the word like another similar word. Okay, antonyms means opposite word. Give the opposite of the following words from the text. Raw, opposite, cooked. C-O-O-K-E-D, cooked. Now, B, later, later, now, or we can say earlier, or we can say now. You just write now only. Now, N-O-W. Now, release, hold, H-O-L-D, hold. Now, stooping, straighten, stooping, straighten, S-T-R-A-I-G-H-T-E-N, straighten. Now, E, unselfish, selfish, S-E-L-F-I-S-H, selfish. Regular, irregular, irregular. Now, the next word, G, terrified, unafraid, unafraid, U-N-A-F-R-A-I-D, unafraid. Shallow, deep, D-E-E-P, deep. These are the answers. Now, types of nouns. You know, so many types of nouns are there. Before that, what is a noun? A noun is a word that refers to a person, animal, a place, or a thing. or a feeling. So a noun is a word that refers to a person, place, thing, then or a feeling. Now here match the nouns, their description and example to the correct places in the table below. Types of noun here written: proper noun, common noun, then written material nouns, countable nouns, uncountable nouns. Okay. Now we have to write the example for proper noun here. Already options are given here. Already options are given. This one is the options for proper noun: Ruskin board, Taj Mahal, Monday, December. So we have to write these answers in this box: Ruskin board, Taj Mahal, Monday, December. Now what is the second one? Common noun. Here already example given here. We have to write the short description for common noun. Okay, let us see what it is. Nouns that refer to a person, place or thing in a general sense. This is the short description for common noun. Nouns that refer to a person, place or thing in a general sense. That is a short description for common noun. This short description you have to write in this column. So here is no space for write this description. You just write option number, that is A. Now here short description given here and examples also given. So from this example and this description we have to select the noun, type of noun. Nouns that you can feel through your physical sense, that means touch, sight, taste, hearing or smell. Example: ice, water, book, juice, perfume. So we can smell or we can touch the ice or we can touch the water, book, juice, perfume. Juice we can taste, perfume we can smell. So these types of nouns we can say concrete noun. Concrete noun is in the option here, B option, sorry, D option. So this concrete noun you have to write here. Okay. And this about concrete and abstract noun in 4th class also you learnt. Now again we have to write the type of noun, description and example given there. What is the description? Nouns that you cannot feel through your 5 physical senses: touch, sight, taste, hearing or smell. So this is the description given here and the example given here: childhood, confusion, wisdom, kindness, laughter, movement. So these noun we can't taste, touch or sight, hearing or smell. So this type of noun we can call abstract noun. Abstract noun already given here in the option. This is the abstract noun. This abstract noun you have to write in the box. Now next one, type of noun given there, material nouns, and the description also given. We have to write the example. Materials nouns we know that what is material nouns? We can make things from that particular material. That type of noun name, that type of material's name we can say material noun. Example here given: gold, silver, wool, iron, etc. Glass, rubber. These are examples for material nouns. This is the example option given. Now we have to go the next part, uncountable nouns. So we have to write the description for uncountable noun. Example given here: water, gold, milk, sugar. This type of noun. Water we can't count the water, we can't count the gold, we can't count the milk. So this type of noun we can call the uncountable nouns. So we have to write the description. Where is the description? Nouns that cannot be nouns that cannot be counted and do not have a plural forms. Nouns that cannot be counted and do not have a plural forms. So this is number I. I it is. That particular I we have to write here. Now description given there, we have to write the example and type of noun. Names given to a number of people, animals or things and spoken of as one whole. That is collective noun. Collective noun. So here option given already, collective noun. And what are the examples for collective noun? Here it is: pile, fleet, crowd, family, herd, flock. These are the examples for collective noun. So today's lesson over. You have to learn full exercise part. Now next class we will make to write, or I will make to write the question answers. Okay, so be ready for that. So see you tomorrow. Take care. Bye.